friends, my name is Alyssa. I'm here to bring you a yoga flow that'll help ground, bring in light and positive energy. So we'll start seated. Take an inhale, reach those arms all the way up. Gaze up towards the palms, palms touch, hands come towards the middle of the chest. Good, pausing here to set your intention for this flow. Deep inhale in, open mouth, exhale out. And inhale, reach those arms all the way up. Good, then bending into the elbows, lifting up through the chest, gaze upwards. Inhale, reach it all the way up. Exhale, bend the elbows, open up through the chest, slight back bend. Inhale, reach it all the way up. Good, exhale, hands come down. Good, go ahead and open up a little bit wide through the knees. Starting with the right shoulder, drop down. We're grounding here, tucking the chin, rounding through the back. And then exhaling as you come forward. Inhale, round it back. Good, other side, dropping with that left shoulder. Nice big circles coming through. Last one through. And release it back in towards center. Bring those knees back in. Inhale, reach it up nice and tall. Exhale, right hand comes down, left arm reaches up and over. Good, grab the back of the head, gaze up towards that left elbow, opening up through the side body. Release that left hand, hollow body in towards center. Other side, left hand comes down, right arm reaches up and over. Right hand towards the back of the head, raise up, look up towards the right elbow. And then release, right arm reaches back. Come back in towards center. Inhale, reach those arms all the way up. Good, left hand comes towards the right knee. Inhale, grow tall first, up through the spine. Exhale, looking over the right shoulder. Inhale, back in towards center, raise those arms up. Exhale, right hand comes down, growing tall first before you twist. Inhale, reach up nice and tall. Exhale, looking over the left shoulder. With each inhale, grow tall. With each exhale, twist a little deeper. And inhale, back in towards center, reach those arms all the way up. Good, exhale, reach those arms out. Inhale, exhale, bring in that love and grounding. Inhale, reach it up tall. Exhale, bring it in. Inhale, reach it out tall. And exhale, bring the hands back in towards heart center. Close the eyes. Take an inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in love, grounding, good energy. And exhale anything that no longer serves you. Inhale in. And exhale out. Good, release the arms down by your sides. Feel free to complete this in a few rounds. Do it standing if you'd like as well. And I hope this helped.